mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to another unboxing. I'll get closer. Okay, it's an Influenster, right? Influenster. Influenster. Okay, so this must be the Olay stuffs. Okay, look at that. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. It comes with a little card. And, yeah. Olay scrubs. 5-in-1 scrub brightens, cleanses, gently exfoliates, reduces the appearance of excess oil, and refreshes skin. Okay, so which one did I get? I got Pore Perfecting. Ooh, vitamin C plus dragon fruit. Let's look at this thing. Okay, Pore Perfecting face scrub. Made with vitamin C, this scrub helps brighten and refresh your skin. While the essence of dragon fruit feels like an escape to the tropics. Oh my gosh, you know I have to smell it. You know what? I'll smell it later. I'll give my full opinion on how it smells. Okay. So next we've got Olay serums. Okay, so this introducing a unique serum stick that delivers instant deep hydration that lasts for 24 hours in an easy to apply mess-free form. Okay, so we got the cooling hydration pressed serum stick, this one. Moisture, cool, and refresh your skin with the serum stick infused with vitamin B3. Oh my gosh. And calming cactus water. Why am I You can't even see me down here. Why am I sitting so low? Okay. Okay, so I'm a mess today. But yeah, I'm excited to try these out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was so excited. I was starting to run low on like my facial scrubs, so I'm excited to try this on out, and I'm excited to try out this moisturizing stick. I'm so excited. Okay, so that was the Influencer box. I was so excited when I found out that I was gonna be in it, that I was gonna be able to have another another one of the Vox boxes, because they're so cool. It's so freaking cool. I love it. The packaging is so freaking cute. Can we just look at the outside of the packaging? Look at how cute that is. It's so cute. It's a little smiling speech bubble. It's so cute. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. It was a shorter video, but I just wanted to come on here and tell you about the box that I just received. Okay, so for now I have to go, but until the next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.